Welcome to AlphaCars, and please say hello to 1972 Triumph Spitfire. Has a very happy history. The second owner purchased it in 1981, and we had a pleasure of buying it from him. So the next person will be the third owner. And the beauty of this vehicle is how structurally solid this is. That's why we have it up on the lift, and we're going to walk under the vehicle with the camera and show you pretty much everything about it. So let's start from the very front. Yeah, and there are some new parts. You're going to see some new calipers, brake hoses. We have another video that shows engine running very nice and very smooth. Here is the, let's start from the very front. Here's the hood panel, lower valance. Check that out. Look at all these parts. They're very good and structurally solid. Look at all this here. The frame rails are in exceptional condition, very good. They're old. They may not look very pretty, but they actually very, very good. Check this out. Check this out. So let's move towards here's the oil pan. Let's move towards the transmission. Here's the transmission. Passenger side. Rocker panel. Look at all this. Nice and original. Look at all these threads. And we're making our way into the quarter panel. All the cross members are still original, no welds. Wheel wells are good and solid, very unusual for this vehicle. So this car is a great candidate for a nice restoration job. A little bit of rust damage right here on the very, very bottom, and it's nothing structural, just very, very little. While we have the door open, let's look at the bottom of the door. Oops, it doesn't want to stay open. That's okay. We're going to look at it anyway. Check out this door bottom. It's not rusted at all. Rocker panel is nice and solid. Rear body panel. A little bit of rust right here. It was an old damage, was backed into something, and the metal was damaged and eventually rusted. But otherwise, this panel is nice and solid. You can see all the original bumper, tail lights, and in another video you're going to see the inside of the trunk. Yeah, look at all these metal parts. They're still original and in great shape. This door is in the same condition as the other one. The floor pan is nice and solid. Very light surface rust here and there, but otherwise really, really solid. Check this out. So we hope you like this car. And again, it starts, it drives, it brakes, it starts on a cold engine, warm engine, and it is definitely a good, solid option if you want to have something that you can just drive around and not worry about extra dings and or bumps and bruises, or if it's something you simply want to little by little and get it in a very nice shape. This car has excellent basis for that with a solid body. Thank you very much for viewing this video. You can always find more details about this car and other inventory that we have at AlphaCars on our website, alphacars.com, AlphaCars.com, or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000. Thank you very much for viewing this video.